The Elephant in Favour by Krylov. Once upon a time the elephant was high in favour at the court of the lion, king of the beasts. All the animals of the forest began to gossip, and many were the guesses they made as to how the elephant had become such a favourite. "He is not a handsome beast," the animals all agreed. "He is not even amusing, and as for his habits, he certainly has very bad manners." "If he only had a brush like mine," said the fox, proudly whisking his fine bushy tail, "I should not have thought it so strange." "Or if he had big, strong claws like mine," rejoined the bear, "it would not have been so extraordinary. But, as we all know, the poor beast has no claws at all." "You don't think, you do, that his tusks got him into favour?" broke in the ox. "Is it possible that they were mistaken for horns like mine?" "Do you mean to tell me," demanded the ass, shaking his ears, "that you really none of you know what it is that has made the elephant so popular at court? Why, I guess the reason why today, if it hadn't been for his beautiful long ears, he would never have gone into favour."